Welcome to our presentation highlighting BuilderMT's Business Process Management product. This presentation will demonstrate just how unique BPM is compared to traditional software and how it can help improve business efficiency. We at BuilderMT feel BPM is a tool that can benefit all builders, even if you don't use other BuilderMT software, as you will see in this presentation. The practice of business process management is managing the processes that are critical to the performance of a business, which includes identifying processes and making them as efficient as possible. There are three parts to it: planning, building, and managing. Planning a process consists of identifying the tasks, procedural steps, people involved, the input-output, and the tools needed for each part of a business process. Once a plan is determined, the next step is to actually build the process in the BPM software, examples of which you will see in this presentation. Managing the process entails measuring the deployed process's performance and continually evaluating the performance metrics to discover potential areas for improvement. So, what is business process modeling software? It is software that allows business people to model processes using a graphical designer. This is an example built in BPM, which we will walk through shortly. The BPM graphical designer makes a process clear and intuitive. It is easy to see the difference between the traditional programming example on the left and BPM. Now, with BPM, the business staff and the software development staff can work in the same tool. The picture is the process. You can simply print the process and show it to other people in the organization who need to understand it. So why did BuilderMT decide to add BPM software to our software suite? Our customers wanted a way to create their own custom processes without requiring us to modify our software. With BPM, customers can extend the functionality of their WMS software and any other software they may have. You don't have to wait for BuilderMT to develop functionality you need. Chances are BPM can handle it. Evolving and refining processes inevitably reduces operating costs. Using BPM will provide visibility into your business processes, giving you the opportunity to continually refine processes and thus optimize costs. With BPM, you can integrate internal and external systems. You don't always need to invest in new and expensive systems. Need data from a spreadsheet or a database? No problem. Simply use a component to retrieve exactly what you need and send it to a process for use. BPM software can work independently of BuilderMT's workflow management suite. However, one unique and powerful aspect of BPM is its ability to work with WMS. This is a high-level illustration of how the two work together. An event happens in WMS, such as marking a scheduled construction activity as completed, which causes the data relevant to that event to go to the BPM system. Data such as the job information, the supplier who completed the activity, and the schedule itself is available for use by a process. It can be emailed, it can go to a different database, it can go into a report. The data can virtually go anywhere. Now we will look at the actual process, starting with the event happening in WMS. In this example, we'll use the event trigger activity complete in WMS. There is a BPM process that reads the name of the milestone, and depending on its value, the process either sends an email containing the construction status or sends a satisfaction survey to the customer. The survey results are emailed to the home builder for review. As you watch this demonstration, keep in mind that this is a simple example that makes you look proactive and attentive to your customers' needs, and all you did was follow your normal workflow of completing a scheduling activity. First, go into scheduling and complete the last activity that is a part of walkthrough, which is cleaning, and then click on Save. This initiates the process, and you can visually see what's going on. The data relevant to that completed activity is sent to the process. Because cleaning was the activity, which is a part of the walkthrough milestone, the process will take the walkthrough path. Taking this path then sends the satisfaction survey link to the customer's email address. This is the customer's inbox showing the email sent from the builder. The customer then clicks on the link to the web-based survey. The email attributes, such as message, subject, appearance, etc., are fully customizable, and the same is true of the survey. It is fully customizable as far as the content and appearance and form functionality. The customer completes the form, then submits the response. The data is emailed to the builder and the process ends. This is the email that the home builder sees containing the survey response. This data could go into a database, a document, wherever you like. The important point is that the data was captured and the customer was contacted, showing good customer service with very little effort from the builder.